Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LoanDepot website fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.loandepot.com and press enter. Wait for the LoanDepot homepage to load. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner. Click the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your registered email address. Type your email address in the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password associated with your LoanDepot account. Double-check for any typing errors to ensure accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your LoanDepot account. For any issues, you can click the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to recover your account if needed. Now you can access your LoanDepot dashboard and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.